Hey YouTube, it's your boy PJax here for my very first food review. In my food review, I will be tasting many different types of dishes, food, products from the grocery store and rating them and reviewing them, telling you what my feelings on them. Today, I'm reviewing Hunt's Snack Pack Chocolate Pudding. This came in a 12 pack, 6 chocolates, 6 vanilla. Today I'll be reviewing chocolate. I'll do vanilla a different day. So, let's dig in. Mm. Mm. It's not bad, not bad, not bad. It's just enough. It's not too chocolatey. It's just perfect. Um, it'd probably be better if it was a little bit cold, a little bit more refrigerated. It's not too thick. Yeah. It's not too bad. Once I this is not bad. Um, Hunt's chocolate pudding. I rate it. I give this 5 stars. It's perfect. It's great for the go. It's great for a snack, and it's great. There you have it. P. Jackson, my first food review, Hunt's chocolate pudding. Stay tuned for many more. And if you have any requests on something you want me to go out by and taste, I'll go do it. Um, yeah.